Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sastriya Akal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at wareva.com. Today we are going to learn how to make multi-grain dal adai. So this is very nutritious because we are going to use not only rice but various kinds of lentils. For this, tuar dal, chana dal. Add rice, the red chilies and curry leaves. We are going to add water. After you add this red chilies, curry leaves, this has become the basic kadai, which in fact I have shown you already the recipe for this and we have done. But now we are going to make this into a nice protein rich dal adai. So for this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of moong dal, 1 teaspoon of masoor dal. You know, all these dals make this much more tastier and also gives you kind of happiness that you are feeding your children nice protein rich breakfast. In this we are going to add water. We are going to wash it one time. You know, do not wash it too many times, just wash it one time and then we are going to drain this water. Now in this add hing, add salt and just add enough water just to cover these lentils. Do not add too much water. Just look at this. You know, if you add too much water, then while grinding, you will lose the flavor of hing and then the salt and all that. So just cover it so much so that when this lentils and this rice get soaked, all the water will be absorbed by it. After soaking this for at least 3 hours, you're going to put this in a blender and make this into a coarse paste. Once this is ready, you can make your various kinds of adai. Just take a mixture and pour it on a hot tawa. I think this should be good enough and you know, you can spread with the spoon or else with the hand. Traditionally they do it with the hand. You know, adai needs to be slightly thicker to enjoy it really well. See, in fact you can blend this batter a little bit thinner and you can make instant dal dosai. This is good. Pour oil and some people also make their adais thinner, but it's up to your choice. And in this we are going to make holes today. I am going to make 3 holes here. It is better to use a wooden spoon so I don't scratch the non-stick pan like this. And just 2 more drops in the holes and we are going to cover this with a lid so that the steam is created and you will get a very nice even coloring on the adai. After around 2 minutes, wow, look at this. This is nicely and look at the color, so nice and even, you know. This is good, but now we are not going to put the lid because if you put the lid, the exterior will become soft. You want this nice crispy, then don't put the lid and just cook this. Take the wooden spoon or whatever and press it so that it gets well cooked on the other side also. This is perfectly cooked and serve it with any hot chutney of your choice or mild coconut chutney. And I'm telling you, you will thoroughly enjoy this adai. Use the same batter to make a thin adai. It looks like little bit dosa, but here the batter is coarse. If you want, you can put in the blender, make it little bit, you know, finer, and you can have awesome brown colored instant multi-grain dosa. But I'm just going to use the same dal, coarse one, and just pour it and then just spread it. Okay. You know, a lot of people like to eat it like this, but when I eat adai, prefer it slightly thicker, but that's okay. Even this one will not come thin like dosa. You know, if you want really thin like dosa, you have to put this in the blender again, but even this will come out fantastic. Just put some oil. Because these are slightly thicker than a regular dosa, I recommend you to put this lid on top so that it gets cooked with the steam in. Cooking it for, you know, 1 minute. Just now open like this and you will see that this is cooked from this side and even the other side the coloring is so perfect. Wow, look at this. Even though the adai and the dosa adai I made from the same batter, you know, because of the texture different, they also taste different. It's up to you. You want to make it thinner or slightly thicker like a original adai. Wow. Wow. My favorite is original adai. Nice, crunchy. Wow. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning these awesome multi-grain, multi-dal adai. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking.